Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make a free mobile app for business. So if you want to create a free business app without coding or spending a dime, in this tutorial, I'll show you step by step on how you can build a mobile app for your business using Jotform. It's fast, easy, and totally beginner friendly. So what is Jotform Apps? So Jotform Apps let you create mobile apps by simply dragging and cropping elements. It's perfect for soul caching services, booking forms, collecting payments, and more, all on your phone or desktop. So first, you just need to sign in or create an account. Head to the jotform.com and log in or sign up. It's free. And once you're in, you can go to the top menu and click My Apps and then Create App. After that, you can just design your app. You can choose a template or start from scratch. You can add features like forms for booking, product showcase, payment integration such as PayPal or Stripe, contact info, and links to your website or social media. You can also customize icon, colors, and layout to match your brand. It looks great on both Android and iPhone. After that, you can just publish and share. So once done, you can click on publish and you'll get a shareable link and a QR code that your customer can scan to install the app, just like a regular mobile app. And that's it. Now you have your own mobile app for free. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more smart business tools, and let me know in the comments what kind of app you are building. And don't forget to click on the thanks. Bye!